1,000-watt slug, PEP, 5 watts in reverse, 14 volts flat. See? Alright. Drive from the radio. Hello, audio. As we all know, if I put the 100-watt slug in there, it reads about 28-30 watts. So reach over here, kick on a little 2-pill. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. 350, 375 worth of drive. Please note I don't have the variable all the way open. Four pill on. BVI got down. BVI got down. BVI got down, no doubt. BVI 111111111. 1,000 watts. 925, 975, somewhere in there. So let's go ahead and we'll shut the 4-pill off, shut the 2-pill off. Hello, same amount of drive. 20 watts worth of input wattage. 20 to 30. Hello, BVI. Hello, BVI. 425, 470. Peak. Hello, BVI. Half the amps. Got to remember, when this amp gauge is reading, it's taking the total amount from the 2-pill and the 4-pill combined. But please note, as your requested truck, got some seriously long-ass power wires on this thing. And since this is our first production run for your sale out of your shop, this amp has actually been numbered Truck CB 4-pill, number 1. Alright. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's got the rubber feet on it. Of course it will have the blue fan. But I want to do this real quick. Let's kick this on, turn that to RMS. Hello, Truck CB sales. Hello, Truck CB sales. Hello, Truck CB sales. Back to peak. Hello, Truck CB sales. Hello, Truck CB sales. Hello, Truck CB sales. 850 to 900, 400 to 410 RMS, driven. Bump bump. From the biggest mud duck in Idaho. And brought to you by Truck CB Sales. Biggest mud duck in Idaho got down. Bump bump.